first alap of Bhairav. So ascending and descending order we have to follow. First sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Here re and dha is flat, komal. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We call Pakad, the brief introduction of the raga. Ga ma dha dha pa ga ma re re sa dha da ni sa re re sa re ga ma pa ga ma re re dha da ni sa. The basic minimum notes to introduce Rag Bhairav, to say the character of the Rag Bhairav. Now the alap part, the most important part of Rag Bhairav in instrumental music, how we present in a performance. So you have to know how we going to present. Sa re ga ma ma re re ga ma re re sa. So the Gayaki part of, we have to sing the Gayaki ang, because it is metal, strings, and we have going to strokes like that, but you have to sing from your heart. Internal, you have to sing continuously, then only you can feel these emotions, you can implement all these strokes here. That is called Gayaki ang. Re na re ra ra na re ra na re re na re ra na na re ra na na re ra na re na. Re ra na 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 re ra na 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 re ra na 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 re ra na na ga ra ra ra. Now when we are playing in the frets, also possible ga ma pa ga ma re re. Same frets, same notes, with an ornamentation. The mean, the gamak, da ra na re ra na re ra na na da ra na ra di na na re ta. This is part of alab. Very slowly you can improvise, just like a painting on a canvas as per your thought, emotions, your character, just what your imagination. With the Saregama Padanisa Sanidhapa Magaresha, the permutation combination of this rag Bhairav scale with Re and Dha flat. These are the painting with these notes I am doing.